Fresh off the sale of the record-setting 50 millionth Corolla, the best-selling car of all time, welcomes a versatile new family member with the introduction of the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. Value-priced and packed with features not typically found in a small crossover, Corolla Cross hits the sweet spot, with the engaging driving experience of a small car and the functionality of a larger crossover. The 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, based on the ever-popular Corolla sedan, is coming to dealerships this October, with a starting MSRP of $22,195 for the front-wheel drive base grade. And a bump up to all-wheel drive will be available for an extra $1,300. The all-new 2022 Corolla Cross will be assembled in the U.S. at the new Mazda Toyota Manufacturing plant in Huntsville, Alabama. A brand new facility that will have the capacity to produce up to 150,000 Corolla Cross vehicles per year. Available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, the compact SUV maximizes the inherent potential of the high-strength TNGAC platform and a 169 horsepower 2.0-liter dynamic force engine. This enables the Corolla Cross to achieve high-quality performance, a comfortable ride and outstanding spaciousness. What's more, the surprising cargo capacity gives it the versatility to accommodate life's adventures. For more articles and content, like this video you're watching now, please visit tnc.network. Stay updated. Please subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching. TNC Network. Knowledge. Life. Fun.